For our funded and focused feature, getting funding through government contracts requires that business owners get support from professionals. Many sectors in government contracting require operational permits, health and safety approvals, or trade licenses. This means that procurement officers verify permits, and missing or expired licensing can invalidate bids or halt projects after the award and before payment. As an example, our client Trevon, who installs solar equipment, had a site inspection on a project that he won a government contract for. But this revealed a missing permit. Trevon tried to do everything himself to save money, and this oversight caused delays. However, once Trevon reached out for help, professional checklists prevented repeat